Hello, how can you develop the functional requirements for embedded systems and debug them whilst you are writing them? How can you find missing requirements with stimulus? Let's take as an example a headlight controller with an automatic mode which turns on the headlights when the light intensity is low and turns them off when the light intensity is high. Let's first write a requirement to set the headlights to on when the light intensity is under 60%. As soon as the requirement is written, you can immediately check if it is correct. In order to test it, we use a block diagram as a test environment. A scenario sets the switch to auto and another one makes the light intensity oscillate between 75 and 55%. Let's start the test and make 200 cycles. You can see the light intensity dropping under 60% and the controller has 1 second at the most to turn the headlight on. The constraint, headlight shall be on, is active until the light intensity goes above 60% again. Until the light intensity goes back under 60%, the headlight is free of constraints, which stimulus graphically indicates using a dotted line. Conversely, when a requirement applies, the headlight curve is solid. Let's complete the requirement indicating that headlights should be off when the light intensity is above 70%. Using drag and drop, let's put this second version into the test environment. Let's make 200 steps again. You can still see the part where a constraint applies and maintains the headlights on, but this time you can also see that above 70% the headlights are off. These first requirements seem okay. Let's continue to reduce the areas displayed by dotted lines. We are going to add the requirements defining the controller's behaviour in the hysteresis or buffer zone, where the headlight should be maintained on or off according to the fact the light is coming from above or from below the hysteresis zone. Let's test this third, more complete version. This time we get the expected behaviour. The headlights are off or on according to the light intensity. With stimulus, you can develop and test your requirements in a very simple manner. In addition, stimulus shows you graphically using dotted lines the moments where requirements are missing. Try stimulus.